Here in sunny Singapore. Very good morning from sunny Singapore with the Merlion right at the back of me. I am right here with Aditya, the chief editor from India 3D Printing Network, AMTech, AM Chronicles. You're all of that, man. So what brings you to Singapore?
Yeah, thanks, Mahendran. It's great being on these videos. I've been seeing this on LinkedIn, and it's great interacting with the additive manufacturing industry here in Singapore. We've been doing this in India for quite some time now. We're seeing how we could bridge the Singapore AM ecosystem with the Indian AM ecosystem. I think AMTech is the right place to look at this. AMTech will be in December, 2nd and 3rd of December, and we look forward to have the entire Indian AM ecosystem there.
Absolutely.
And a few people from around the region.
Exactly. So all our friends who are watching this from around the world, AMTech is the place to be. We are here in ITAP in Singapore. Another 2 more days to go, but I'm looking forward to December to being in Hyderabad with you at AMTech. See you there real soon.
See you.